Here at Smith Corona, we do everything in the label line besides cutting the tree down. Our raw materials come directly from the paper mills and chemical manufacturers. Silicones and adhesives are compounded in one of our facilities using our proprietary formulas. These paper rolls, silicones, and adhesives are used at one of our 15 coating machines. Rolls of face paper and release liner are unwound continuously at the beginning of the coating machine. The webs of paper travel in tandem but not yet connected to the print stations. Here, colored ink is then applied to the face paper, running through as each color is added onto the label in whatever design you need. We mix our own ink to both reduce the cost of your order and to guarantee your design is crisp and clear. This is just another example of how we control every process in our label line. Our silicone is then applied to the release liner, and the silicone is cured to anchor in place on the paper. Our hot melt adhesive is applied to the silicone paper at temperatures of 350 degrees. The face paper and release liner are then laminated and pressed together while the glue gets cooled to make the label material. Your label is then die cut, ensuring that your label is the perfect size with the cleanest edges, all while removing the leftover pieces. Now on its way to the perforation station, where small holes are punched between each label, ensuring each time you use a label, there will be a perfect tear. We continuously monitor the quality of your label using the latest technologies, including cameras, to ensure that your labels stick. The labels are then stacked, cut, and set gently into your box. The box is then sent down the line to be set on a pallet, soon to be in your hands and ready for you to start labeling. And that is how we have the lowest prices, by having a faster and more efficient label line than anyone else in the label industry.